Hello everyone and welcome to The Drinking Geek, where pop culture meets bartending. I'm Justin, the aforementioned Drinking Geek, and today we're tackling one of my very favorite drinks, the A.M.F, otherwise known as the Adios Mother. Now, my friends know that I'm a huge fan of the Guardians of the Galaxy, and I figured the best way to start this show was with one of my favorite characters from that group. So tonight's drink is called the Yondu. Alright, well, today's ingredients are as follows: Grenadine, triple sec, Bacardi White Rum, Sky Vodka, Seagram's Extra Dry Gin, Blue Curacao, and sweet and sour mix. Alright, let's get started. We're going to start first, of course, with ice already in the cup for this drink. So we'll place it right here. Now we're going to start with our first ingredient, which is grenadine. Now we're going to pour that grenadine into a tall shot glass, or if you need measurements, about 1.5 ounces. This is a great tool as well, a measurement shot glass. So we'll pour into our tall glass. We want our grenadine to be the base. Now, if you know Yondu, you know he wears his Ravager jacket, which is a delightful red color. There it is at the bottom. I'm telling you, this is going to be a fun one. Next up, we're going to use our sweet and sour mix, which can be bought at almost any grocery store or BevMo. Again, the entire recipe calls for just one tall shot glass of every kind of liquid here. And that was all we have for our non-alcoholic ingredients. Here on out, it's free game. Next up, we are going to do our white rum. Ooh, I almost dropped it. That would have been a tragedy. So let's pour it in. Delightful. Next, we're going to want to use our vodka. Then we're going to want to use our gin. Then we have triple sec, orange liqueur. And last but certainly not least, we have our Blue Curacao, which will give us that nice blue color for Yondu's skin. Oh, that one came out real purple. All right. Now, of course, Yondu will not be complete without his signature mohawk. So here we have a garnish made from a watermelon. Oof. And there you have it, folks. The Yondu. Here it is, the Yondu. Now you're probably wondering, how does it taste? And well, fantastic. Whew, a little strong too. This has been The Drinking Geek. I'm Justin, and if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more content just like this. Until next time, have a great week.